Hello, I am John Boris Sabuel, 25 years old from Alabang, Muntinlupa, and I have a 3 years experience in food and service industry, and I work in a busy restaurant in Sibuli Unlimited Korean Barbecue and Batis Saramin Hotel and Resort. I have the opportunity to work in both casual dining and banquet setting, from serving as a banquet waiter at Batis Aramin to my most recent role at Sibili. This experience taught me not only about food service but also the value of teamwork, effective communication, and ensuring excellent guest experiences. I've also handled POS system, assisted in operation audit, and I supported the receptionist area when needed. I consider myself as a fast learner, hardworking, and adaptable. I truly enjoy working with people and making sure they leave satisfied. My goal is to continue growing in the hospitality field and hopefully join the cruise industry through Magsaysay where I believe I can both contribute and learn even more. Thank you so much.